What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you've seen by the title, today I will be installing tow hook strap on my E90. So I'm gonna show my E90 some love since it's been all about the E92, and plus right now I'm just waiting for a bunch of parts to arrive for the E92, so I don't really have anything to film on that car. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I got yellow just so because it matches the theme of my car. I got other yellow accents on it. So I've seen this mod done on a bunch of cars, and I saw a video on a Nor's channel. He has an M3 and he did it on his car, and shout out to you, my dude. He did a pretty cool little DIY with the tow straps, so I'm gonna try to do the same, see how it looks, and hopefully it ends up pretty good. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought one of these kits, a grinder. And I'll be cutting right here. Don't mind my cracked bumper, I need to fix that, but I'm gonna be cutting right here and making the tow strap just fit between like a little gap right here, so it looks super clean. All right, so I went ahead and made like a rough mark, a rough line where I want to cut this, and I clamped it on here, not too tight obviously so it doesn't snap. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start and keep test fitting it and cutting and test fitting and cutting and get it as perfect as I can. Alright, I'm gonna flip it the other way so I can shave all this excess off. Alright, first test fit. Yeah, we're gonna have to make this a little wider. Almost there, it's just a little too snug. Let's go ahead and screw this onto the car and see how everything fits. Alright, so I actually had to unbolt my bumper and like pull it back and fit it through here because the actual metal part would not fit through this hole. But it wasn't too hard, it slipped right in and I got it on this other side. So now I'll just go ahead and bolt it in and then we'll fix the fitment. So I got this bolted on. It freaking took forever because the bolt was like, I don't even know. I thought it was too short at first, but I had to like finesse it around and then it finally got bolted on. So I'm like tucking this in right now and then I'm gonna feed it through this and we'll see what it looks like. Sorry, my bumper is really dirty right now. I'll have to go wash it after this. Oh. I changed some things up. I'm not surprised, but I ended up freaking snapping this right here. But honestly, this toe strap I bought is so thick that you can't even like, it fits up the whole like really good. So I ain't even too worried about that. Like even if you try to pull this out, this is not gonna go anywhere. Because I literally had to take my whole bumper apart to feed it through here. So if somebody tried to pull this out, plus it's screwed on, so I am not worried. It's already dirty, I have to clean it up. What do you guys think? It looks tight. Matches all the yellow accents I have. Let me know if I should keep it. Finally showing my E90 some love. There's the E92. Waiting for some crazy parts to arrive. So comment down below your guys' thoughts on this. If you guys like it, if it helps any of you guys. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. We'll rock it for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos of this. Put them at the end of the video, so stay tuned for the end of the video. And for now, just waiting for some parts to arrive for the E92. Yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all the good stuff. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.